In Goa we decided we wanted to relax at the beach. We left the ship early before the bus tours had left. Sorry I didn't record, but I learned that some of the taxi drivers can be quite pushy, so I put my phone away until we left the port. We had intended to go to Bogmallow Beach, but when we got there we didn't really think it was safe for a child, the waves were too big. So we headed to Kansula Beach, but this is where the GPS landed us. After a bit of asking the locals, we ended up here at Utorda Beach. While we were at the beach, we met some of the guests that were staying on our ship. They had taken the excursion. The price in the guide was $104 per person, including a meal at the restaurant next to ours. But it didn't include the loungers, so some of the people on the cruise excursion were eating at our restaurant so that they could use the loungers. The food at the restaurant here was amazing. My oldest son is still raving about the butter chicken he had. Our total cost for food and drink for 4 people was 1,690 rupees, which is about €21 or $23. And the taxi cost us $40 in total to get there and come back to the port. So as a family, you can see the savings that we made. If we'd done it with the ship, we would have paid over $400. We paid approximately $63. If you have any questions about this day trip, please do not hesitate to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.